Yeah, making dough. 2015 Blizzard, you know. Basically, kids making igloo, you know. Crazy. You know what I mean? About to go inside the igloo. What it do? What it do? Say what up, Jacob?
Good. Hey, money, you know.
Bless up.
Really. Get the whole round that shit.
Yeah. We in there.
All on the outside.
Right on the outside, coming out. Yeah. And that's how we, you know, that's how we do. True igloo, you know. True igloo status. You dig? So, you know, this is how we did our 2015 Blizzard type shit, you know what I'm saying? Always family fun, you dig? Nene, say what up? You know? Looking like a motherfucking Christmas story. You know what I'm saying? Alright, yo. All praise to the Most High, Haile Selassie, Jah Rastafari. Bless up.